Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use QuickBooks for Self-Employed 2025. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. And then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for QuickBooks.intuit.com/ph/. So it depends on your location. Okay, then after that you just have to click on this try QuickBooks. So let me just type out QuickBooks once again at the top. So yeah, you have this website, so just click on this one. That's right. And then if you are from the Philippines, just click on the go to PH site. Okay, so it depends on your location how you can use QuickBooks. Okay, so here just click on the try QuickBooks option and you'd be redirected to the section where you can choose your plan. So we have the these plans right here. So we have about $2, $3, $4, and then I think the last one is about $9. So yeah, so for now we are just going to select the plus plan. Okay, then after that you just have to proceed to the payment section where you have to input your payment information. Okay, so you just have to choose a plan once again. Okay, so I'm going to select the plus plan. So it is about $4 per month. Okay, so this one is limited offer. So we are going to select monthly for the billing period. And then after that, just click on continue. Now here you have to input your payment information so you'd be able to purchase this plan on QuickBooks. And then you have to select your industry. Okay, then after that, you'd be able to see here now your dashboard. So you have your shortcuts, your tasks, your bank accounts, profit and loss, expenses, and everything that you need. And of course, you can also customize your homepage. Okay, so when you go to this section right here, you can click on your profile and you'll be directed to your account and settings. So under the account and settings right here, you can upload your company logo. Okay, so just click on this plus icon and then your company name, you can change that as well. And then your legal name. And you can also change your company type right here. And then your contact information, your address, and then the communication with. So for the company type, you can enter your industry type right here. So you can also click on the drop down icon. So you can select your industry and then click on save after that. Okay, and then for your contact information, so you have this one right here. So just put your contact info. That's right. So let's close this accounts and settings section. Now let's go to your shortcuts. So you can create invoice, record expense, add bank deposit, or create a check. And when you click on show all, so you'll be able to see here all of the shortcuts. So we have money in, create invoice, add bank deposit, create estimate, and then you have your money out. So you can record expense, create check, create bill, create purchase order, pay bills, add suppliers or add employee, and more. Now for the cash flow, so you'd be able to see here your money in. So you have your overdue invoices right here. Okay, and then for the money out, you have your overdue bills. So you can also view the reports. Just click on the view reports if you already have your history. Okay, so you have open invoice and open bills right here. Now let's go back here. Okay, so next, let's go to the task section. So under the dashboard, we have the tasks. So see what you can do with the tasks. So you can start by adding your first task to yourself or a team member. So you can create a task name, add a description, and then you can select the assignee for this one, and the status, and then the due date, and then if this one is priority, and then you have here your records. That's right. So just have to save this one after that. So let me just close this and leave without saving. Now in the transaction section, okay, so let me just close this one. Okay, so in the transaction, we have bank transactions, reconcile, rules, we have charts of accounts. So We also have on the sales, we have the overview, we have the all sales section. So for the money in, for the quick actions, we have this one, customer, we have the sales receipt, the product or service, the bank deposit, estimate, create statement, invoice, recurring invoices, receive payment, and then here we have the income over time. So you'd be able to see here the details for the income over time. And for the all sales, we have this one for the invoice, the estimate, the customers, and then the products and services. So here, using QuickBooks is not that complex. So you can basically, use this one for yourself or for your business. So for the expenses, we have here the expenses section. So if you have a new transaction, just click on the new transaction option. So we have time activity, bill, expense, check, purchase order, supplier credit, credit card credit, pay down, credit card, and then import bills. So we have purchase orders right here. So you can fast track replacement with easy purchases, and again create your purchase order right here. And then for the supplier section, right? Okay, so click on the suppliers. Now you can keep track of who you pay. So find all supplier constructor in one place. So you just have to import your supplier right here. And then for the customers and leads, okay, so we have here the overview of the customers and leads. So there are so many. We have customers, we have the leads, the marketing, and then the reviews. Okay, so as you can see, it is not that complex when you use QuickBooks. Like everything you see here are all of the important things that you need for your business. We have the standard receipts, the customs reports, management reports. So if you want to add a new management report, so just click on that management report option. And then for the employees, okay, you can keep your employee contact and hiring details in QuickBooks. So you just have to add your employee right here. That's right. Now for the projects, you can run your projects with this one. And then your budget right here, you can plan your finances and stay ahead. Your taxes, you can simply, enter your taxes details right here, and then your account. And then we also have an apps right here. Okay, you can save time and streamline your work with the apps. So we have income management section, we have the expense management, and more. There are so many things that you can use for your business using QuickBooks. So you just have to input all of the important details for your business. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.